The available Honda satellite-linked navigation system lets drivers operate the system by voice for exceptional convenience, especially when underway. When using the voice recognition system, minimize noise in the cabin. Close the windows and the moonroof, and make sure no vents are blowing on the microphone, which is located in the overhead console. And ask your passengers to not speak for a moment. The microphone is aimed to pick up the driver's voice from the normal sitting position, so there's no need to lean in. Just speak in a clear, natural voice without pausing between words. Press and release the talk button on the steering wheel and, after the beep, say, "Navigation." The voice command screen will appear and display a list of available commands. When the system is in the listening mode, you don't have to press the talk button again to give a command. Just make sure you've heard the beep first.